ค Jurassic rod picker tracks that they left in the soft mud. So don't pull over them. Lots of times they put rocks around them so you don't drive over them. So let's be careful not to drive over. Everybody can get a look at them.